The planning department, Government of Meghalaya, was recognized as the best performer in developing a strong startup ecosystem in the state under the state's startup ranking. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma took to Twitter to share joy in the achievement. Meghalaya police nabbed 2 drug traffickers near Umtara. East Gentia Hills police have, in a synchronized operation, nabbed 2 drug traffickers and recovered over 300 grams of heroin and 13 cartons of cigarettes. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today unveiled a bronze statue of freedom fighter Alluri Sitarama Raju at a special program on his 125th birth anniversary celebrations in Andhra Pradesh. The Prime Minister said a new India should be an India of the dreams of fighters who gave their lives for our freedom. The newly formed BJP Eknath Shinde-led government in Maharashtra today won the trust vote on the floor of the state legislative assembly. Accepting the division of votes that took place through headcount, the ruling establishment received 164 votes, whereas the opposition Mahavikash Aghadi got 99 votes. The government of Bangladesh has further tightened the austerity measures in the country considering the global economic situation. A circular of the Finance Division of the government of Bangladesh has stopped purchases of vehicles including ships and aircraft by all government and semi-government, autonomous, statutory, state-owned companies and financial institutions.